Good morning. We're off to the beach. Just gonna take some drone shots there. Since yesterday we cannot do that since it's already evening. Just gonna do some beach stroll and we're gonna have a breakfast probably at Jollibee before we leave this resort to the airport. We'll be picked up by 11:30 a.m. Grabe, last night ang lakas ng ulan. Buti na lang sa gabi siya. Ay, putik ulit. Saan ba ako dadaan na hindi ako masyado mapuputik? There you go. Putik. So from Villa Kasadya, you just get out of the resort, turn right, and then this is the path to the beach. Dire-diretso lang siya. Just go straight, and you'll find your way to the beach. From here, the road will start to become smaller and smaller, but don't worry, it's the right way. Doesn't look though, but it is the right way to the beach. I don't know if you can see the beach already, but from here, you can start seeing it. There's the beach. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, there you go. There's the beach. It's a beautiful morning. It's good weather. We're done taking some drone shots. We're just gonna find somewhere to eat breakfast. Let's see if we can find one.
Remember, this time we stayed before. Yung first time natin dito.
Oo nga, Lost Horizon. Parang same pa rin siya.
Same pa rin siya. Pero nagkaroon lang ng ganito. Wala to dati.
Oo. Grabe. People getting ready for diving. Some local tours. I think that's a boat excursion. The beach here in Alona is, as you can see, not too clean compared to Boracay. You would barely see some beach trash, only some seaweeds, but here, look at all the beach trash. Dumi. Sobrang dumi. Look, even doon. Hindi siya inviting to swim. It's kind of like that. So sad.
Sana ni tagpusa na lang sila maglinis ng yung mga staff nila. Para like sa Thailand ba, di ba? Pag may madumi yung staff nila, naglilinis talaga lahat, no? Pati yung manager, yung magpunta tayo dun sa pocket, no? Or maybe because nag-umulan kasi, lagi umuulan kasi dito sa gabi. Kasi naano yung mga basura or yung mga staff siguro na iba. Tinamad na mag-tap ng basura dyan na lang sa dagat.
I guess this is the more commercialized area where at night I think it's alive. Ano? Wala? Hubbee, what happened?
Gulay. Itlog lang.
It's not really buffet, just 4 options. Okay. So we found our breakfast here. So we're going to have silog. I'll have tosilog and Hubbee will have
corn silog. Pero how much pag may isang itlog ay isang hotdog lang? Pangdagdag lang sa corn silog.
Dog is 50. Okay. Add ka na nga para sa
thank you.
Tapos wala kayo add itlog or...
Wag na.
Okay na nga.
Okay. Salamat. Okay, so we finally found a place to eat breakfast. We don't need to go to Jollibee anymore. Ang sarap. Sige, salamat. Checkout time. Off to the airport. Salamat, ate. Thank you. Lakas yarn. So that caps off our Bohol trip, our very quick Bohol trip. In terms of our stay in Villa Kasadya, I think it's okay. No? just for a short stay. It's not bad. The room is okay. The space is okay. Of course, I'm not gonna talk about the pillow because I brought my own. There's a hot shower. It's an outdoor shower area, which is quite nice. It has its own charm. Although maraming lamok sa gabi, bugs, but that's part of the experience, I guess. The service is okay. They have a pool. I didn't try the pool, but Hubbee tried the pool.
Hindi siya malamig. Maganda yung tumakoy din lang siya. Maganda yung labas ng resort sa gabi.
And also the resort is near the downtown area, so it's a walking distance to the beach, and it's a walking distance to some of the restaurants where you can eat for your lunch or for your dinner. It's also a 20-minute ride to the international airport, so Panglao is really a very good place for people who want to visit here in Bohol. If you want to be more adventurous, there's also another part of Bohol which is called Danao or Danao. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but it has some adventure activities, extreme adventure activities there. But overall, being here again after 13 years is also a good feeling. But I'm just gonna echo what Hubbee said last night, that in Bohol it's good for a quick holiday, but it's not gonna charm you. Again, this is just personal speaking. This has not charmed us to keep coming back. Unlike Siargao or Boracay, it has its own charm na even if you're doing the same thing, you still want to do it again, or you still want to visit the place. Here it's okay. Sadly, the Alona Beach, it's not so nice anymore. Maybe just for this season. I'm not gonna say it's bad forever, and we cannot tell that because we've only been here for a few number of days and it was raining 4 days. But yeah, so we would highly recommend Bohol for a family vacation because there's some nice family trips that you can do here. Okay, well, that's our little review of our quick Bohol trip. We're now going to the airport, going back to Manila. Alright. There's the airport. So quick. It's not even 20 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes. That's the airport. We're here. What happened?
Hindi tayo magkatabi.
Hindi tayo magkatabi?
Layo mo. 27 tapos number 4 ka.
Oh, Hubbee. Hindi tayo magkatabi, Hubbee. Hubbee. Maayos yung airport ng Bohol, no?
Oo.
Fairness. Anong gate tayo?
Gate 3.
Buying some lunch. Here's our lunch. Hot dog. Before we fly. We're now waiting for boarding. We're here now at our gate. We're now back here in Manila. The flight from Tagbilaran to Manila was one of the smoothest flights, but smooth nga, pero ang tagal namin nakaalis sa Tagbilaran kasi hinintay pa yung clearance, siguro mga 30 minutes, no? And then pagdating namin dito sa Manila, may air traffic, parang pang 11 kami sa sequence, so it took around 35 minutes. And then paglapag, mali pa yung parking ng aeroplano, tayo na yung mga tao, tapos pinaupo ulit. Sobrang ihina. So unfortunately, the room is not available yet. It's still here at the lobby waiting. I just checked in. I'm here at the 6th floor. The last time I was here, I was at the 18th floor, but I like this view better. It's a little bit rainy. The room is spacious again. Again, they have that cabinet. I don't know what this is called, but that area, that's the fridge, little couch, some bed, TV, another cabinet, and an office area there, and the view. So I'm gonna go to the gym quickly. So I haven't done any exercise for the past, 7 days. What? That should stop. Hubbee is there already doing his exercise. I'm just gonna follow. And after the gym, hopefully we can finally eat a Jollibee. Usually that's the first food we eat whenever we go back to the Philippines. Hasn't happened yet. But let's work out first. Bago makalimutan. Let's do this. Here now at the gym. I was there, still working out. I'm gonna start running. Just finished using the treadmill, but it's only for 30 minutes because the treadmill is not good. They've invested on some of the machines like this one, this, and this. It's from Life Fitness, but their treadmills are from Encore. Not good. Sakit na ng pa ako. Tigas habang ginagamit yung machine kasi out of balance ako. Siguro we'll just run tonight na lang around BGC after all the meetings in the evening. Anyways, okay, going back to the room now. We're off to SNR, and that's where we will have our lunch. We're just gonna check out that place also. That's SNR. It's a walking distance from F1 Hotel. It's very convenient. We'll have lunch first before we do any groceries. Their pizza is very good here in SNR. We're done with our lunch. We're checking out the SNR products now. We'll see what are we going to buy here. Huli pero di kulong ang ginagawa mo. Our favorite. How was your shopping experience in SNR, Hubbee?
Okay lang, but I still love Landers.
Why?
Nakaka-excite doon. Maraming mga products na bago sa paningin ko.
Got back to the hotel, and now we're going out again to do some running since the exercise this morning was not enough because I don't like the treadmill, so we're just gonna go out and do some exercise. BGC at night. We don't know where we are. We just found a jogging path, so we just kept following and following that path. I don't know if we're still in BGC or we are in Mackee now. Oh, this is it.
We're in Mackee now.
This is it. Balik na tayo.
Dito naman tayo.
Ang susarap dyan, tuloy-tuloy. Walang stoplight. Okay.
Gusto mo?
Oo.
Shangri-La, malapit din sa bahay natin.
Kaya nga. Kasi 27 minutes pa lang tayo.
Oh, let's jog.
Madulas kasi yung kung ayuto. Let's do this. Sarap. This is where we stayed at before. Kakamiss to be close to McDonald's.
May nakatira na nga sa room natin. No, bukas na yung ilaw. Di pa nga natapos sa pag-walk, ito na agad. Ang ending, gaining, hindi losing. You have this picture style, the black one. Ito yung first time kong makatikim na kakanin sa Pilipinas ulit.
So after walking, we stopped by at Jollibee and then here at Lawson to buy some snacks. That's okay. That was a great evening walk. So we're back here at the hotel. Just took a shower already. And we're going to sleep na. Tomorrow we're early. Busy na si Hubbee maglaba. Okay, we're gonna sleep now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't, we'll appreciate if you will do. If you have any comments, please feel free to write it down below. Don't forget to click the like button and click the notification bell so you can get notified on our next video. See you. Good night. What can you say about Duke-Up, Hubbee?
Fairness, ang sarap niya, no?
Hubbee and I had a dinner. Originally, it was at Wildflower, and then it became Contis, and then it became Duke-Up.
You know what? Every Wednesday, kailangan namin ng uniform namin is purple and then yellow. So ito na lang, papalitan ko na lang siya.
Going to have our dinner at Uma. How was your day, Hubbee?
It's a very fine day. Palitan ng kulay, Mackee.
Hubbee is now going to Terminal 1 for his flight to Bangkok.
Pasalubong? Yes, pasalubong, you know.
Dito na naman po siya. Taray, nurse na yung friend ko.